Hello friends, in this video we'll learn about the functions in Python. So functions are the group of statements which perform the specific task, okay, and give us a result. Specific task and give us the required result. So in Python we have three types of functions. So first is inbuilt function. Second is user-defined function, and third is lambda function. Okay. So let's see what is inbuilt function. Inbuilt function. So inbuilt function are the functions which are already available in the Python. So suppose print is the inbuilt function. Input. These are the inbuilt function. In, max, etc. are the inbuilt function. Other than that, we have append. We can use pop. All those things are in all those functions are inbuilt function which we can call inside our code and we can use it. Okay. Second type of function we have is user-defined function. User-defined function. User-defined functions are the functions which are created by the user. By the user. So syntax to create a user-defined function is def. Def is the keyword which tells the Python that it is a user-defined function. Then we'll give function name, parenthesis, and then task or code which we want to do. Okay. So suppose here is the example. I want to sum of numbers. Okay, I want to do sum of numbers or sum of two numbers. Okay. So what I'll do is I'll create it there. Sum of number A and B are my two numbers which I want to use. Add and then sum equal to A plus B. Print sum. Correct. This is the function I have created. Now I want to use this function, so I'll call this function sum of 10, 20. This will give me a 30. Okay. So now this is the sum of two numbers. So I can take a list also in this. So create a list. Sorry, to create a function. The list addition. I'll take A as a list or lst1 as a list. So how I'll add this list is sum of values inside a list is I'll add for I in list. Okay. Sum equal to sum plus I, then print sum. So whatever it will do, it will whatever the values inside a list, it will take and it will add and then it will print. Correct. So this is I have created a function. It should be print. I have created a function. Now I'll call my function list. So here I'm passing my list 1, 2, 3, 7, okay. This is my list. It will give me a 25. If I add 1 plus 3 times 3, it will give me a 25 as a value. Okay, this is how. So suppose I can pass tuple also here or any other task also I can do. So this is how we use user-defined function. Third is lambda function. Lambda function. So lambda functions are also user-defined functions, but I can say they are the autonomous functions and they are faster than the user-defined functions. But the thing is, they are one-line functions. Okay. So suppose I want to add two numbers. So how I'll find lambda function is lambda a comma b a plus b. This is my lambda function. If I'll call this function 10, 20, it will give me a 30. Same way I can do multiplication also, star 200. Same thing. So